My fellow investors, fellow Jamaicans, we have some major news coming out of the Jamaica stock market today. The announcement was just made, so I had to just make a quick video just to let you guys know what is happening. NCB Capital Markets has just released the basis of allotment for the Woodcats International Limited IPO, and it is a massive milestone for 2026. Now, we all know that this was not just any IPO. It marks the very first listing on the junior market to take advantage of the new $750 million capitalization limit. The Woodcaps team and NCB Capital Markets are calling it a resounding success. And here is how those shares are being distributed. If you had applied through the employee, the key partner, or the strategic investor reserve pools, you're looking at a full house. You're good. Every single applicant in these categories will be allotted 100% of the amount they applied for. So congratulations to everybody who got through under these pools. For the general public, which I assume most of the viewers here fall into that category, the pool was oversubscribed, which shows the high level of confidence that everybody had in this offer. Every applicant in this pool will be allotted the first 25,000 shares that they applied for. Now, if you had applied for more than that, you will receive approximately 67.66 or 2/3 of the remaining balance of your application. Now, it's also important to note that if you had submitted multiple applications from the same JCSD account, they are combined and treated as a single application for this allotment. You can't treat the system. For those whose application were only partially accepted, the balance of your subscription money will be refunded in accordance with the prospectus, which I assume means that they're going to refund back whichever account that you had used to apply for the shares. Woodcats International Limited is now officially proceeding to apply for the listing of its ordinary shares on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, all of us from the Monitor JA team and the community would like to congratulate the Woodcats team and all the investors who took part in this historic first IPO of the year. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the basis of the allotment for this IPO? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And ladies and gentlemen, Monitor JA now has a newsletter that will be published every week. To get it delivered straight to your email, just click the link at the top of the description for free access. Join the community inner circle for weekly Jamaica Stock Exchange updates, savvy business and investment strategies, and exclusive financial breakdowns specifically tailored for Jamaica. No fluff, just the blueprint you need to build real wealth. Let's start money. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next one.